evening guys, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. Quick video really. It's just really about the DIY embellishment kits that I'm going to be starting or trialing for this with this collection of the Love Never Fails journals. The idea is that I've got 3 in the collection for sale, but I know that for many perhaps you may the postage might be too much to actually get one of these journals to send to where you are, or you may make journals yourself. So what I've decided to do is incorporate some of the elements that I used in the collection to embellish the journals into a little DIY kit. So for instance, the little embellishments on the front, some of the papers, some of the I'm going to be doing flashcards all the way through these journals, as you know. So I've sort of layered different pages, different flashcards, and they have the theme scriptures or the thoughts from the program for each day. So what I've done is I've actually done a little pack together so that you can get the pack, and I've just incorporated some of the elements that I've used in the collection, so you can just get the pack. So for instance, I've just done 2 for this collection, so you get for example the a couple of the little crochet doily bits, but the little floral that I made, embellished the front with, some of the panel of the Stamperia old lace paper that each journal has on the front, just a little bit, a couple of extras. I've incorporated 10 of the postage stamps, the used postage stamps, vintage postage stamps that basically I've embellished all the way through the journals. All the flashcards in the journals for every day are in part of the kit. So you can place them, you can either make a journal of your own, or you can just decorate a bought journal. Some wallpaper that I've used in the kit, just 3 of the little pages that you can either collage with. I think I've done collage pages with these, or you can just pin them, clip them to different pages. I've incorporated just different, not landing pages, what do you call them? These little elements that I've used to layer in the journals. So you know, you can be, you layer that with that, and one of the little stamps and so on and so forth, so you get the gist of what I've done, what I've used, and you'll actually have some in the pack as well. On each of the journals, for the opening page, I've done a feature opening page. I've done a one of the embellished paper clips for each one, and I've embellished one for the pack as well, so you can pop that wherever you like really. But so that's that one. A couple of the elements from the die cut little kit that I got, little pad. I did a couple of really nice layered pages with this and some green, I think it was some green elements. So this is lovely because I just love the theme, the botanical love, let love grow, and just a little plain one. So I've incorporated a set of those in each. One of the little bulldog clips, and some of the teardrop. I've done 3, I think, 3 of the teardrop little clips as well I popped in, and also decided to pop in just 3 bits of pretty cardstock, because you might want to do it or you might not, you might want to use it somewhere else. But what I did, I used layered card stock for each day of the programs and decorated them, so you can print the program out yourself on whatever paper you like. And I just tore around these, I inked them, rounded the edges and decorated them. I did this different for each of the 3 days, so I just thought I'd pop some of that a selection of cardstock in so that you could do that yourself should you so wish. So there are going to be, in this vintage linen and lace collection, I've just done 2 packs because that's what I've got, enough to make a generous selection of bits and pieces from this collection. So this one has, I'll pop that in. So it's a little bit of just a different element on the front there, and you see the jumbo clip on that, jumbo safety pin. And what's let's have a look and see what that's a little front panel on that one. Looks quite pearly. So these 2 will be listed in my store, Etsy store, and the next set that I'm working on is it might well be before I actually get to do the books, the journals, but I actually am doing some journals, general journals actually in this colourway, and this is from the Stamperia, and it's to do with sewing, and I can't remember what it's called, but it's absolutely beautiful. And so I'm actually going to pop some of these together, maybe make some of the lace little doily flowers with these beauties. I think I used some of these last year. This is from a vintage bracelet, and I've got some fabric to incorporate in that, some doilies, some fabric. So this is where I'll be going on with the next collection, okay? And I'll be doing them in different colorways. So let me know if you want me to add more, like more fabrics and things. Do let me know. I'm trying at the moment just to see how I can do something nice and practical that you can add to your journals without it being too costly. Because when I make the journals, it's the time for actually popping all this stuff together and popping it into the journal that really sort of, brings the cost up. So if you're happy to do that yourself and not have to pay too much for postage, it would be a great way for you to kind of get the best of both worlds, to give your journals a bit of a vintage twist. So that's it, guys. Sorry the background noise is so noisy. I'm trying to get this done. The family are all home, whereas I normally get all my videoing done during the day or first thing in the morning before they get up. But so that's that. I'll have this listed, them listed within the next, either tonight or tomorrow, on Etsy. And yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you have a nice evening. And please like and subscribe if you haven't before. And if you don't like, then just don't. That's it. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Bye.